Ready.
Okay, open it up.
What is it?
What did you get in the mail? With lots of love, granddaughter. Well, open it up.
Oh, that's nice.
What is it? What is it?
Looks like Grandpa Roger sent you a little bit of money.
Yay, yay, yay!
Oops.
Oh,
Mama,
Should we read the card?
look what's on the card. Look what's on the card.
A Frankenwitch.
A Frankenwitch?
Yeah. With lots of love, granddaughter. Hugs and kisses on Halloween. To Miss Allie B. from Grandpa Rogers.
say, love you, Grandpa.
I love you, Grandpa.
And what else do you say?
Thank you.
Can you say it again?
Thank you. Thank you.